Hi everyone, I'm Afsha. Thank you very much. I'm a first timer here, as you might have heard, and I'm slightly drunk. A little bit of a hand for that. Come on. Okay, for the longest time in my life, I've been suffering from this thing called airline baby guilt. Have you heard of this syndrome ever? Anyone here who has a parent who works in the airlines? Come on, put your hand up. Yeah, where does your father work or mother? In Air India. See, everyone here. Okay, almost everyone. What's your name, man? Kaizad. Your mother works in Air India. See, the thing is, when one of your parents works in Air India, you suffer from this syndrome called airline baby guilt. By that, it means that every time you fly Air India, you feel guilty. Do you know why? Come on, somebody up here, put your hand up and try to anticipate why I feel guilty. Alright, none of you know my plight. None of you all understand my plight. Alright, fine. So see, the thing about me is, my father works for Air India and I feel guilty every time I fly Air India because it's free tickets. Free fucking tickets, man. And you know why? Because I don't deserve those tickets. I haven't done anything in my life to get free tickets. So anyway, when I was a kid, alright, I used to fly Air India to go to Canada because my aunt lives in Canada. And those were the days when Air India didn't have direct flights anywhere. Now they do, and I swear to you guys, they're not paying me to advertise them, but they didn't have direct flights to Toronto. So we used to fly from Bombay to Delhi to some place in Europe and then to Canada or via the US, whatever, man. So here I am, a little 5-year-old kid, and my mom's like, hey, guess what? We have a stopover in Rome. And I'm like, hey, yay, alright, fine. My mother's made Rome seem to be this really awesome place. And I'm like, yo, you know what, I'm going to Rome, and I'm 5 years old. So we're out of Bombay and in Delhi and getting to Rome. And I'm like, hey daddy, are we in Rome yet? And he's like, yeah baby, we're in Rome right now, get it? We're roaming. And we're on the flight right now. So at that point, I'm like, you know what, the plane is Rome. So I'm like, alright, fine, you know what, I'm in Rome and all. And I don't remember Rome at all, but when I came back from that trip from Canada, my friend, the next trip I took to I don't know, maybe Kulu Manali, or actually to be very precise, Kodaikanal. I'm going to Kodaikanal with my parents, and a friend of mine asked me, where are you going for the summer? And I'm like, yeah, you know what, I'm going to Rome. And she's like, oh, are you going to Italy? And I'm like, no, I'm going to Kerala. So, yeah, I went to Rome, Kerala, whatever. And I've never paid for a flight ever, except for this. Thank you, that's fine. You can abuse me all you want. You can abuse me all you want because that's honestly, you don't want to be where I am. No. You don't want to be where I am, which is a place where you don't pay for tickets, which is why the one time you actually do pay for tickets, you expect classic service. What kind of service would you expect if you had paid for tickets the first time you ever paid for them?
We always do because we pay for them on you in Air India, what can you expect then?
The plane flies, it's enough.
Hey man, it's called airline baby guilt for a particular reason, yeah? Because the minute you get in there, you just get in there and you're like, you know what, I'm privileged enough to be here. Because otherwise, no one's going to let me on this flight. No one's going to let me on any flight ever unless I pay for it. And I have never paid for a flight in my life. No, trust me, it's not that good. You get onto a flight and you expect top class service and everything, and when you don't get it, you have the right to trip, but I don't. We're different, man. We're different. We're so different. Okay, so the first time ever I paid for a flight to get on to go to Singapore was with Singapore Airlines, and this is like supposedly a really, really good airline. So I paid for like my first flight ever when I am 23 and I'm going to Singapore. And for some reason, a celebrity happens to be on this airline, and that's like Leander Paes. So I'm like sitting at like in the first seat of economy, and I'm like, hey, you know what? I can like demand whatever I want. But unfortunately, that does not happen because the airline stewardess, who happens to be Indian, by the way, and I'm not prejudiced against our own kind, but she was. So I'm sitting over there, and I'm like, I'm just gonna make myself like all comfortable and everything. And this girl is like, hey. And this girl is like, you know what? Hey Leander, do you want anything like, or do you want anything extra? And he's like in the last seat of J class, and I'm like, what can you get him from like economy that he does not already have in J class already? And I'm like, hey, at that moment I'm like, can I have like a glass of wine? And he says no, and she says no, I'm just like, attending this customer, but he's in the in the last seat of J class, and yeah, being an airline baby is not like really all that awesome as you might think. No, that's fine. I mean, it's good when it has to be good, but it can be bad when it has to be. But yeah, that's all I have to say about that.
Ladies and gentlemen,